Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel My Fluency Journey. So in this video I'm going to talk about a random topic created by ChatGPT, and this is a second part of the video. So the second topic is my experience of handling failure. So in my life, uh, one of my greatest failure is greatest failure was during my college internship season during my third year, when the companies are coming, and I also applied to the internship portal on my IT placement portal, but I also got selected after screening tests. But what I did wrong was not performing well in interviews, and I think that one of my mistakes was not being fluent in English. I'm very poor in English communication, and I did not know any vocabularies. So I did not sit quietly during these days, and I had to change. I had to fix this mistake, and I had to learn from these mistakes. So after being rejected in uh, at least 5 to 6 companies, I succeed in becoming the web coordinator of the Placement ID Bombay. Okay, Placement ID Bombay website and application. I become the web coordinator, which is third year or fourth year POR of IIT Bombay. And I did this by creating a good habit in English fluency. So what I regularly did was learning new vocabularies, doing grammar exercises, and uh, uh, converting Hindi. Also did some Hindi to English translations to directly think in English, and some book reading, and also learn vocabulary from books, and some role play exercises with ChatGPT, because in my house no one is gonna talk in English, all are because I am from Rajasthan, and uh, religiously speak all religiously speak Hindi only or Marwari. So I need to create a good friend, or I need to create a good friends with it, so that I can speak English with anytime anywhere. So I think ChatGPT is one of the greatest tools I have researched and I have found on the internet. So like I'm currently using ChatGPT for my English fluency. So yeah, it will improve my English, and so also you can improve your mistakes. And what I firstly I was very disappointed. I was very angry due to my mistakes. And also one thing I did wrong was I put some wrong projects in my resumes, and I did not prepare my resume well. So one advice is prepare your resume well, and you should be able to speak in English very fluently with your hiring managers and your tech leads. So you should speak in the confidence. So these three key points, to if you master these three key points, then you are selected, or you will be selected in the companies. So firstly you have to be you have to be fluent in English communication. So currently I am practicing it. So yeah. Uh, so what I did was I was watching self improvement and self growth podcasts, and listening to sad music, and but but after 15 to 16 days I changed my schedule entirely, and I added so much habits. I added so much good habits and included so much good habits in my daily routine, and excluded all the bad habits from my daily routine. So I included exercise daily, and I exercise daily, and I am also learning a new language, which is German, and also I play chess regularly to be more active, and to, to be more creative, to activate my creative mind regularly. to activate my creative mind more consistently. I also play some table tennis and badminton regularly. I also started practicing English communication exercises consistently over a long period of time. So, like, what you can do is just think on a main motivation is my parents. So, if you are not fully motivated, just think about your parents. The motivation will come to you, and you have to perform, and you should not sit back and just cry. So, you have to change your mindset from being a fixed mindset to a growth mindset growth mindset person growth minded person. So you should uh, learn new skills. So during that period I learned complete web development course. I had completed one completely web development course and learned new skills. Also currently learning Android development. So that would be my journey and how I tackle my failures and how I improve my mistakes and how this helps me in becoming a more better person every day. So my one of the main goal is to always become better each day. Always become better each day. So if you wanted to become better each day, you just know because English is one of the best things. English is one of the best language, and if you wanted to become more uh, if you wanted to get more success in your career, you should know and you should be able to speak fluently in English enough so that you can influence others and you can also challenge others. So I think this skill is gonna affect me in my entire career. So yeah, this is why I am learning this skill. So failure is one of the things, and you have to master your skills. And to master your skills, you need to create good habits regularly because you are your habits. So thank you.